Assalamu alaikum to class book English grammar lesson number 4 verbs page number 13. Today we will do lesson number 4 verbs. So what is verb? Verb is an action. Let's read it. Remember, doing or action words are called verbs. हम जो काम करते हैं, जो काम होता है, ठीक है, उसे कहते हैं verb. So verb is basically what we do. For example, laugh, talk, eat, drink. All these words are verb. Verb is something that we do. Actions are also verb. Now look at this table. Verbs can be put into families. Family name laugh. Verbs in the family laugh. L-A-U-G-H laugh. Laugh can be used in so many ways. L-A-U-G-H laugh. L-A-U-G-H-S laughs. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G laughing. L-A-U-G-H-E-D laughed. When a single person laughs, we add S or ES with that verb. When something is continue, we add ing with that verb. And when something happened in past, we add ed with the verb. Laugh, laugh, laughs, laughing, laughed. Same like talk, talk, talks, talking, talked. Here is another table. This table shows the present tense of the verb to be in singular and plural forms. Singular and plural form. So what is single? Singular means one. Singular means one, and plural means more than one. Now look at this table. Singular, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. We always use am with I am going to school, I am talking, I am eating. We always use am with I am, you are. We always use are with you, and we always use is with he, she, it, and a single person. When a single person is do something, we use is. And for example, Rida is reading. Rida is reading. We use is with the single person name. Am is always used with I. R is always used with you. Is always used with he, she, and it. Let's see the plural. Plural, we are. We can be used with more than one person. We are. You can also use for plural. You are. They can also use with more than one person. Now let's see the activity. Page number 14, practice A. Saif very quiet today. What can we use with Saif? Saif are very quiet, or Saif is very quiet. We can use is with Saif because Saif is the name of a single person, and we always use is with a single person. Saif is very quiet today. Take on the is. Second, I in the hospital. So what can we use with I? Am is always used with I. I am in the hospital. Number 3, the students. Students, this word is plural, more than one person. Students is making a lot of noise, or students are making a lot of noise. Students are making a lot of noise. Number 4, they are very tired after the walk. They is used for more than one person. They is a plural word, so we can use are with the they. They are all very tired. Number 5, you, the monitor of the class. You are the monitor of class, or you am the monitor of class. Am is only used with I, so here we use are. You are the monitor of class.